Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for January 26th to the 28th, 2013. That's Saturday to Monday. Let's look at the highs and lows on Friday then. 8s and 9s mainly, being the high temperatures seen on Friday. Cork and Shannon taking the top temperatures there. The lowest temperatures -8 in Shobden and Marham, with plenty other places well below freezing as well. So these next 3 days we'll see a change in the weather. Heavy rain and milder temperatures with periods of clear skies in between, making it a little bit difficult to predict, a little more so than usual. But it will certainly feel milder with temperatures in double figures for many of us next week. So at the moment we have a low pressure system bombing out in the North Atlantic Ocean, and that's interfering with our weather, you could say, causing more rain mixed in with sunny spells. And that's how it will appear on Saturday. The best of the weather appearing in the east and the southeast, where there shouldn't be any rain, at least until later on. Here you can see there's a lot of rain around, but this, for the most part, is later on in the day, towards the end of the day. So before then, there's some good periods of sunshine for most of us, and temperatures struggling for most inland areas, but in the far west, western coasts, 8 to 10 degrees. So to Saturday night, and here comes the rain. No areas dry on the forecast map here. Heavy rain for many areas, which will wipe out any snow that remains on the ground on Saturday night, overnight hours. For most of us, lingering into morning for some areas. But temperatures, as you can see, getting milder because it's a warm front coming from the Atlantic, meaning overnight temperatures 6s up to 9 perhaps. Let's look at Sunday then. A very mixed day with rain showers mixed in with sunny spells. Most of these showers will be light, except perhaps in some eastern areas, and particularly in Scotland, where the heaviest of the showers will occur. But a lot of sunshine that could be had on Sunday, particularly in the afternoon. Temperatures 6s and 7s and higher for England, 4s and 5s in Scotland. So Sunday night, a rather damp night for eastern and southern parts, with drizzle and rain for some areas, some unlucky areas getting heavier spells of rain. For the rest of us, breaks in the cloud perhaps, particularly on western coast and in Ireland there, partly cloudy at worst, and temperatures falling to 2 or 3 degrees, which is very far away from what we saw recently, -8s. So let's look at Monday. You see here a lot of the symbols saying mixed sunshine with rain, but in actuality it's a lot of sunshine during Monday, but towards the end of the day the rain will come in, so any activities planned in the evening outdoors will get a little bit wet. Temperatures 5 to 7 degrees and higher in England, 5s and 6s in Scotland, 8 in Wales and 7 to 9 in Ireland. So the heavy rain will pass through on Monday evening, and during the overnight hours it will brush off to the east, except in Scotland, where it will remain heavy showers, particularly in central areas, as you can see there. The rest of us, southwest and western parts of England and Wales, partly cloudy, breaks in the cloud there, perhaps clear spells for some areas, and temperatures down to 4 or 5 for most of us, 9 degrees in the southwest. So it's far too early to say whether we've seen the worst of winter yet, but with temperatures of 13 to 14 degrees on the cards for this upcoming week, perhaps things will be looking a little bit better for the foreseeable future at least. Go to the website force13.com, where you can find the more in-depth forecast, which is updated every midnight.